was this bully, right? Didn't even seem like the bully type. Walked right up to me and told me, "You look like a cookie bite." I said, "You could be right, but me, I'm not the looky type." So I walked away and then he hit me with a cooking knife. He said, "Did I tell you you could walk away, sponge?" I responded, "No," and then he hit me with an 8-punch all up in my face, and then I lost my patience. So I spun around and whipped out 2 of my ray guns. He said, "Oh no," and then he tried to run away. But I said, "Oh no, no, little homie, you messed up my day." So I got up to him and I punched him in the face. He said, "Oh, ha, ha, ha," then he hit me with some mace.